Recording yourself assaulting me.
I'm recording. Look, I'm back into a corner here, and you won't stay back from me. So just stay right where you're at, and we'll be cool.
Conversation.
All right. All right, we're having a conversation.
Okay.
So you still don't have a name?
I do.
Okay.
So you witnessed him put his hands on me?
Huh?
You witnessed him just put his hands on me?
I did not.
I do want him arrested for assault. He just pushed me back.
He's 8 inches from my face. I have the right to
asked him
clear
to
my
leave.
space, especially whenever I'm tucked into backed into a corner like this.
He refused to leave, so.
What's your name, sir?
Sergeant Patterson.
Patterson?
Did you get your business done with the state?
No, I don't. I'm still working on it.
Okay.
But he won't put his phone down to do
Because I don't need to, and you know that.
Yeah, I do know
Yeah.
that. But
He
won't
you can't
identify
touch him, man.
Well, if I got in your face, if I got literally 6 inches from your face right now, you would have the right to remove yourself.
I was
from that
standing right
situation. Right? Yeah, okay. You do know this is all on video, right?
I do.
Okay.
I do.
So you're gonna sit here and lie to me?
We can have a copy of it.
Okay. Yeah. If you want.
And it's on video of you putting your fingers right to my face and telling me to step back.
Yes, because you're still too close to me, and you're way
I'm
further
not
away
too
than you
close.
were whenever you before when you
So you
were
gonna put
6
your
inches
hands
from
on
my
me
face.
again?
If you approach me the way you did, yes, absolutely, I have the right to defend myself just like you do.
Well, you don't have the right to put your hands on me.
Yes, I do. When you get in my face,
No,
I
you
absolutely do. You want to bet?
I do.
Try it again.
I'm right here.
Okay, and this is cool. But you step close, you step up to me like you did, and yeah, I'm gonna move you again. Do you understand that? It's amazing that
Was
you're
I
in
any
criminal
closer?
investigations.
So I was the same distance.
You don't need to get a jury going here. It's all on video. Okay.
I know it's on
These
video.
people are here to do their business like I am,
Right.
and I don't know why you think you need to bring them
But
into
they're not
it.
causing this kind of an issue, are they?
Yeah, you are.
No, I don't think I am.
Okay, are we done now?
No, because I've asked you.
You just
can't-
carry on.
I've asked you
Just-
that you can't
just go away
record.
from me. Okay,
But you still want to record.
Okay, well, that's not your decision to make. Okay.
Well, we can't
It's
have
not.
recording with
It's not.
the private information we have.
Private information should be protected. If it's not, that's their responsibility.
Right.
Not mine. I'm in
what
public.
transaction are you
I'm in
doing?
public property.
So what
in
transaction
public
are you doing?
accessible areas. It's not your business.
What's
You can
your
ask them if you want. No, it's not.
Are you renewing a plate or?
All right. Are we done here?
No, because you put your hands on me and I want to press charges for that.
Then do it. Here we go.
I'll write out a statement.
Okay. Can we come out here and talk, please?
Well, they've still got. I'm still trying to get this done. You know, if we can talk when I'm done, absolutely. That'd be fine with me.
Okay, now I have to investigate whether or not you assaulted someone or not.
Right.
So I have to get everybody's statement and story on this. I got a lot of witnesses. You got a video.
Right.
Okay. So, I'm not sure what you're attempting to accomplish today.
Part of the reason I'm even recording in the first place because I've been trying to conduct my business with DOR over the phone. They hang up on me. They don't call me back for 2 weeks. I finally get a hold of them, and they hang up on me. You know, so this is the only way I can provide any kind of accountability is by capturing, having video evidence of the whole encounter.
Okay.
It's a pretty reasonable thing, right?
I suppose so, but
Okay.
I'm still not sure that. Do you feel like it's accomplished now with what you've got going?
What's accomplished exactly?
That your business.
Well, I don't know because I haven't had a chance to talk to this lady about I don't know where. She's probably got something to tell me. But
Probably been easier just to attempt to do it first.
listen, I don't care. It's
then-
not your responsibility. What's easier for me? Okay, you can pontificate about
may
that
be
till the
going to
cows
jail
come
for
home.
assault.
Oh, really? Okay, all right. Actually, he's the one that assaulted me. You should know this. You should know this as a police officer. I don't care if you don't have to touch somebody to
I know
assault
what
them.
4th degree assault is.
There you go. There you go. Okay, and you can do that without touching someone. If you get inches from someone's face, that's assault. That's assault. Especially when they're backed into a corner like I am right now. That's assault. So yeah, go ahead, hook him up.
I'd rather
You're not going to?
anybody to jail.
Oh well, if you are, you're taking him.
Because I put my hands on you?
No, because you assaulted me first.
How did I
have the
assault?
right to defend myself.
I didn't
How did you?
assault you?
Can you explain to him what 4th degree assault is?
Yes.
He apparently doesn't know. Seriously,
Can you explain what 3rd degree assault is?
I just did. But also, I'm not the
Putting
law
your hands on me and
enforcement.
pushing
I'm
me
not the
up.
law enforcement officer. Yeah, that's called self-defense. Hate to break it to you. Hate to break it to you, buddy. And it's shocking that you're that ignorant of the law. It really is.
I'm not. Some people are, but I'm not.
You're demonstrating your ignorance of the law right now. Can you, can you explain to him fourth degree assault, the concept of that, and the concept of self-defense? And if I were to approach you, especially if you're backed into a corner like I am right now, got inches from your face, I would expect you to defend yourself, right? I would, and that's exactly what I did. So I'm sorry this is so difficult for you, especially you. But what are you going to do?
Well,
at this point, I would like to officially and formally charge him with assault. I'm a complaining witness, willing to write a statement, but I am charging him with assault.
Well, you do what you have to do, but
I
I've
will.
got witnesses out here. To know
Okay,
what's
great,
going on.
and I got video.
Right.
All right,
And that video will show what we're talking about.
it sure will.
Right.
You're gonna go away now?
I'm not going away until this officer, we have a talk with you and we can talk outside. I told you we could talk outside, but you don't want to do that.
Yeah, well, obviously, I'm here trying to get my business done.
Is it almost done, man?
I don't know.
I have 8 transactions to run. He's technically only allowed to run 5 at the window at a time, but I will be happy to move these back to my desk because I am not going to be recorded on your phone. I feel very uncomfortable.
I'm
You're
sorry.
invading my privacy and my
You have no
personal
right to
space.
privacy in
I have
public.
every right as a
have
human
no right
to
to
not be
We
privacy.
talk
recorded.
Privacy in
outside
public.
and we can
Can
bring
you
those
yeah,
transactions
I will be
back.
moving this back to my desk because I refuse to be recorded. Lester, I'll holler at you when I get these done, okay?
I'm obviously gonna need those back.
Can I press charge on him for recording?
Yeah, sure.
So can we talk outside in the hallway, away from the public?
Can we just go out there, man? I'm not trying to.
Listen.
I don't want to arrest anybody.
I appreciate
just
you
want
being-
this to go.
I appreciate you being
Smoothly.
respectful. And I guess as long as they're working on my stuff.
If I was
working
her, I
on
wouldn't want to be filmed either.
Right.
Well, I understand, but
Okay.
if you were me,
I don't even want to be
You would
filmed
also,
right now.
I understand. You would also like to be for them to actually do their job and provide
seems
you
like
with
she's
the
doing
public
it.
service.
And every time
well, she
I've
may be
come
now.
up here,
She may be now,
they've
but
always-
you
I've
don't
never
know
had any
you don't know
problems.
the issues I've been dealing with in the past. It's been going on 2 months now. I've been trying to get this taken care of,
Okay.
and frankly, they're just people in DOR that don't want to do their jobs. So.
That's probably everywhere, man.
It is, to a certain extent. It seems to be a recurring pattern over here. So,
I'll keep my opinions about all that to
So
myself.
can we
Sure,
talk outside
sure.
and talk?
But can we just go out there, man?
I'm good. I'm good right now. We'll see what becomes of this, and before I'm done, I waited a long time just to get to the window. So I'm not just going to walk
I
away.
get that, man. I got to wait too, just like everybody else.
They're being
does.
processed now.
Right. Well, they haven't been processed. I need to talk to her, figure out where I stand. Hey, does this guy have a name? He's refusing to identify himself to me.
You haven't told me your name. We've asked you.
I don't need to. I don't need to. I'm not the law enforcement
wanna
officer in this
press
situation.
charges,
Yes, I
you're
do.
gonna have
Well,
to.
yes, you are right, and I will. But not to him right now.
Well, I know that you put your hands on me 2 times
Okay.
and shoved me back.
Okay.
And
So what are you gonna do about it?
I'm telling the Capitol Police officer.
So what are you gonna do
he
about it?
assaulted me.
Well, I'm trying to determine who started what and why.
Okay.
I find that
I'd be
most
happy
of
to-
this was preventable, and that's why
It was.
if you just attempted to do it the right way first,
He's the one that approached me.
that's because she didn't like being.
What makes you think I didn't attempt to do it the right way, quote unquote, the right way first?
I don't know. You didn't.
Because I
come here
just got done telling you, I've been trying to handle this for months.
sit over the phone.
And over the phone, yes. Whenever you get hung
Tried
up
to
on,
come in.
when you get hung up on, you don't have much of a choice than to come in person.
Correct.
Right.
I agree with
Right.
that. That's
Okay.
what I meant. Did you just try
That's
to
what I'm
come
doing.
in here and do it?
That's what I'm
without
doing now.
filming her?
That's what I'm doing now.
If you hadn't upset her, you
Well,
wouldn't be
you know
here,
what?
and then this
If I
wouldn't be
don't
happening.
have the experience documented, then it's my word against hers.
I get that.
And I want accountability. Period. That's not
you
unreasonable.
ask her?
Ask her what?
Hey, can I film this so that we have?
If she
Be surprised what people
here's the
say
deal.
if you just ask them.
If she'd have been nice about it, if she'd have asked me, nicely, from one person to another, I said, yeah, sure. You know what? Who knows if this is even going anywhere? But if it does, I'll blow your face out. And which is a courtesy that I don't have to do, right?
Right.
That she'd have been nice to me about it. Otherwise, she's in public, I'm in public. You have no right to
Yeah, I know.
question.
I know how.
Yeah, you know how that works. You know how it works. So there you go. That's where we're at. So what do you want to do? Otherwise, I'm just
want
gonna
go have a conversation with you without.
and that's fine. But like I said, I'm not giving up my
obviously
I'm not giving up my
going.
seat at the window because I've
you're
literally
in the
waited.
process of-
I've waited for months to deal with this.
Does she
right?
have everything that you?
I don't know. Because,
I mean, did you
she
give
has-
her all your
no,
paperwork for all your transactions?
No.
Okay.
Still don't have a name, huh?
I do have a name.
Okay.
And you,
Is it your policy by chance to identify yourself
apparently
when a
don't
member of
have-
the public requests it?
you apparently don't have a name.
Bet you it is.
You don't have a name.
I don't have the responsibility to give you my name. Do I? You should know that. Are you that ignorant of the law? Really? Yes or no question?
I'm not.
Okay. So does a member of the public have to identify themselves on request by a member of law enforcement? Do they? Yes or
Are
no?
we going to talk about the
Yes or no?
assault with this individual?
We can talk about you assaulting me all you want.
We need to go
all you
outside and
want.
talk about it. Yeah, come on.
No, you're good. I'm good. I mean, I'm good. Yeah, good idea. Sergeant's a little more savvy of the law than you are.
Hey guys, I apologize, but until we can get this taken care of, we can't process any more transactions at this time because there's personal identification information that is given to the clerk for you guys, and so I can't have any of that on video. Okay, because you all recite your addresses, your phone numbers, and your names, and so I can't have any of that.
We drove 3 hours. Can you get him out of here?
If we're trying, we'll try, but if you'll just have a seat in there with us, we'll try to get you guys. It's for your privacy, okay?